Hi Simon. Hey. Welcome to Saxonia. We are here in our labs right now. We are a producer of graphene based in Dresden in Germany, and I'd like to show you around.
All right,
Yeah.
let's go.
Okay. This is our holy halls. We are basically producing graphene. We can talk a little bit more about that later. That is easy to use, but at the same time very high quality and very high performance. So in this part of the lab, we are trying different formulations, different recipes for customers, a little bit application development, and basically just try to make things work. This is basically where the magic happens. So we have our graphite raw material, which is fed into the electrolyte where it's essentially decomposed. So we are delaminating the graphite into thin graphene layers. And at the same time, the water-based electrolyte that we use is elevated, let's say, with some functionalization agents. So we can at the same time exfoliate the graphite, but also add functional groups to the graphene. And that makes it processable without destroying the properties. So that's the magic behind Saxonia's E-Graphene. So after the washing step, basically we are processing the material into different formulations for our customers, like dispersions and paste and things like this. Also, we can exchange the water, which is the main component of the electrolyte, with NMP or with other solvents, depending on the customer requirements and the customer processes that they are using. Yeah. Okay. So, but I can show you next door. Like this is how a dispersion looks like. It's basically just black water in this case. So the main step in between is that we are processing the material from this kind of graphene agglomerates that you've seen before into like de-agglomerated graphene formulations where we really have few layer graphene in dispersions or pastes, which is basically done via shear forces. So we use sonications or dissolver or these kind of processes, standard processing basically. You've seen what the dispersion looks like, so it's very typically rather liquid and low viscosity. Then if we increase the concentration of the graphene, we can make pastes that are more suitable for slurry formulation, for example, in the battery applications. So this is around 3% weight graphene, approximately. Despite working on batteries and battery applications, we also have customers in other areas, for example, functional coatings. And one area where they might overlap could be a functional coating to protect the current collector in the batteries. And we have a small setup here that we can use to spray coat different substrates. And I can just show you shortly. I hope it works. Yeah, this is how it looks like after the graphene is coated. So indeed, we tried with some customers, or some customers reported that when they used graphene as an additive in their slurry, that they could achieve higher adhesion to the current collector, for example, in different tests. So this is one other property of graphene beyond just the electrical properties, is that it also has barrier properties. It also has the potential to improve mechanical performance. And also beyond electrical conductivity, also thermal conductivity. So there's a lot of properties in a single material, which makes it very exciting and interesting for many use cases.